everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. I really hope everyone is doing well. I hope you are both physically and mentally well. I know these have been very trying times with having a stay-at-home orders. I know Illinois has stay-at-home orders until the end of May. They are phasing them in as they're reopening. And I can understand what they are doing. No politics right now. We're all about opening up stuff and feeling good. And I know a lot of us are not working, or a lot of us are working. Wherever you fit, I hope everything is going well. Thank you all for being here with me today. Thank you for still sticking with me. And if you're watching after all of this has passed us and you are now watching me in the future, I hope you are doing well. 2020 has been one hell of a ride, and it is only May 13th. So let's get started. I'm actually opening 2 Ipsy bags, and no, they're not both for the month of May. These are them. So I got 2. One is for May of 2020, and the other one I bought because they had it there for sale, and I just said, let me try it out. So I haven't bought Ipsy in a long time. I actually broke my no-buy to buy this one Ipsy bag because I was given a subscription of 3 or 6 months. Then I went on there like a dingbat because I have nothing else to do besides go to work, and post stuff on Mercari and eBay. And I bought this. So no excuses. I just felt like spending some money, and I did. And I got May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. So let's see what is in the glam bag. Here's the package. And here's the bag. This is actually kind of cute. I like this. I would definitely use this for my phone because my phone fits in there, right? This is cute for the summertime, just to have a little bag. It does say Ipsy on it. Now, can I open it? It's been a long time since I've done any of this. I feel like a stranger to it. Okay, so, and I put on makeup today, and I have not put on makeup for like almost 2 months, okay? So we're getting there little by little. So what is in here? Let's see the card. So we did get a card similar to this. I did open an Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I don't know which one of these videos is going to first, but if it is, I will link it up here, and you can go ahead and watch that, or wait to the end and watch it after this video. Let's see what I got in there. It did have a card similar to this. So it says, get that glow, May of 2020. And then on the back, yeah, it's the same damn, it's the same thing. It doesn't tell me what's in my bag. It just tells me about add-ons. So save the date is May 21st. And it talks about highlighter. Powder, liquid, cream, highlighter 101. So if anybody wants to know, if you want to pause it, you can pause it and get the information from there. So wow, it's been a while. Don't they normally put like little the cards in there to tell you what you're getting? Anyways, let's keep on moving. So this is Fierce Flicks by Ciate London, and this is, what is this? Since I didn't get a card, what the hell is this? That I can't see. I'm going to say it's an eyeliner, I guess. Black? I don't know, it doesn't say. But that's what that looks like. It just says Fierce Flicks. And I guess it's a black eyeliner. Let's see what else we got. So if you're interested in Ipsy Glam Bag, it does come with every month comes with a different bag. This one's actually really nice. Comes with a different bag, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sample products. Sometimes you get a full-size product. And that's monthly, and it's $12. You can sign up for a year, and I believe it's $100 or something like that. I will link all the information down below. Like I said, I haven't bought Ipsy in a really long time. And you get a full-size eyeliner so far. And we also get the Purlisse Coconut Oil Plus Plumeria Silky Body Butter. Ooh, can I open this? I'm gonna open it. It has a seal. Oh shoot, I should let you see it. So that's what that looks like. And it is sealed, but I will try this one. In my last video, I didn't try the lotion. My hands have been so chapped from washing my hands all day. I work in an environment where you're constantly washing your hands and you're constantly putting on hand sanitizer. Oh, it smells good. I like it. That smells really, oh, it smells really good. Like I have, so if anybody can help me out, right here in the palm of my hand, I have a terrible, terrible itch. I can put on Vaseline, I can put on cream. Just by going like this, it itches. It just itches really bad. This one doesn't, but this little patch here of my hand, it constantly feels itchy, so I'm constantly doing this. But it doesn't look, like right now, it doesn't look dry, but there's an itch when I go like this. I want to scratch it. So if anybody can let me know what I can put on here or do, it's like right here. Just now, I just want to scratch and it feels so good. So this is Pure Lease. This is actually feels really good on my hands. And it smells good. It smells really good. Okay, so the next little, oh my God, look at this thing. This is like for a Barbie doll. This is Tarte Sea Strawberry Jelly, and this is Anytime Lip Mask. Look at this little bitty thing. That is like the cute, I hope you can see it. It's like the cutest little thing. I like it just because it's cute and little. Oh, it's sealed. Or if not, I'd take a whiff, but I really can't smell right now, so no sense in that. And then we have Pixi by Petra. I have got like 5 of these, 6 of these. Is this like a recurring thing with Ipsy? Let me receive a few of these. This looks like a full size. Maybe the other ones were smaller. I don't know. But we have a blush. It's a nice blush. And this is Face Fresh Blush in Peach Rose. And that's the color. It's nice. Not too bad. Not too shabby. But I don't need it. I have, did I do my blush collection? I don't even know. I have a lot of them. And then the last item in there is the Auto Balm Day to Night Shadows on the Go. And this is by the Balm. Oh, this is cute. This is Lombard for Girls on the Go Auto Balm. This is actually pretty. So that's what that looks like. And then that is the color there. It's actually a pretty color. This is something I would use. It's really pretty. It's Lombard Street. Lombard Street. We have a Lombard. Do we have a Lombard? We have a Lombard, Illinois. Actually, that's nice. I'm like really out of it. Sorry. I'm really sorry if I'm like dazed out. That's the inside of the bag. That's a pretty bag. I really like this bag, and it's made really well. It's nice. So we got all that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But no card to tell me how much this stuff was worth. Anyways, I paid $12 for it, so it can't be worth all that much. Then the next one was it a mystery bag? It was like a mystery bag. Let me know if this bag was in a previous month. It might have been. This is actually a really cute bag. Comes with a wooden tassel thingy, and it's actually pretty. And it's the same material as the last one. Like, these bags are really nice. And what's in here? Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, we got nice products too. This is really pretty. Oh, here, it's a nice bag, and it's zippers in the front, so it's nice. Ooh, we got nice stuff. So we got the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. It is sealed, and there it is. They must have a contract with Pure Lease because they get a lot of Pure Lease products. Then we have a Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This I will be giving to my daughter because she loves Glow. Sealed too. It's cute. But that we got that. Then we have the Urban Juvie, I don't know how to say that word, Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. Another lip balm. Love our lip balm. Yes, I do. No, I don't know. I haven't used it yet. It just says with hemp oil, nourishes and protects. So I'm not going to open it, but that's what that looks like. Again, I'll probably give it to my daughter because she likes a lot of these lip balmy thingies. I don't. I use one. I've been using the forget what it's called. We got it in a box and I love it. Absolutely love the recipe of that one. So this is H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment. This is a water gel moisturizer. I will also be keeping this. I'll keep this. I like keeping these in my purse because at work sometimes I work where it's dusty sometimes, so I'll wash my face, unfortunately, with just plain soap, and then I'll lather on some moisturizer afterwards so my face doesn't dry out by the time I get home. And then we have Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract. So I know this bottle alone by itself, I believe this bottle is like $7 or $8. It's a sample, but oh, it smells good. And my daughter loves Hemp's. I think it was like $10. I think I paid $10 for a little bottle like this. And that's what that is. That's actually a really good bag. I can't remember what it was for. It was like a mystery bag previous months or something, but this one is actually really good. We got one full-size product, which I hope is this one, and then this is everything else was little sample and trials. Well, that's it. This is a wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for stopping by and just seeing what I got. So we got 2 different Ipsy bags. We got May of 2020, and this one was just, I think it was like $14. Was it $14? $12? It was an add-on to that one. This was an add-on to that one. I think this was $12. Something like that. I don't remember. Anyways, thank you all for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comment section how you all are doing. I will be having a giveaway in my next video. Just so I can let you see it. I will be giving a couple things away. So far 2 things, but they're going to 2 different people. I will be giving away these Allure London Pre-Glued Wispy Intense Lashes. So my next video, I don't know what my next video is going to be, but stay tuned for my next one because I will have a couple giveaways. I'll be randomly just picking someone from the comment section to give these. These are already glued. Like I said, they're pre-glued wispies. And then I'm also going to be giving away this Frida Kahlo Ulta Beauty Set. Isn't it beautiful? I love the box. Look at that. I'll be giving this away in my next video. It comes with that, and it comes with the a palette, and it comes with the color switcher. And that's what that looks like. So this will be coming up in the next video. I don't know what my next video will be, but I'll have a giveaway. So far I'm giving away these 2 things. Might be giving away something else. I believe I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. So then I will let you know, and I'll just do a giveaway for those things. If you are interested, if you want to know what I have on my ojos, it is actually I love the way my eyes shadow came out. It's by Smith & Colt, and this is the Lilac Flash. Actually, I like this palette a lot. There was no heavy kickback. The colors are nice. I used maybe 4 of them, 5 of them. I used this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and they're very nice. Like this one here. Oh, you can barely see it, but it changes color. It's like pink, and then it's like gold. I love it. And there's like really no kickback. I was putting the brushes in there and love it. This purple's pretty. It's a light purple too. See, it blends easily, so I really like it. So that's just if you're curious on what I had on my eyes, just to let you know. And that's it, you guys. That's everything I have so far. I've got a few more things coming I want to share with you. I hope, like I said, I hope you all are doing good. I know mentally and physically a lot of us were struggling. I was struggling myself in the month of April, but I was able to get a few of my credit cards. I think I'm down. I won't tell y'all how many I have, but I'm down to like 4. I paid off 4 credit cards already, so those are done. And I'm working on my 5th one. That one should be paid off this month or next. And then I'll be working on my next one. I'm trying to get a car because my car is about to conk out. And I put in too many miles daily. I really need my car. Without my car, I don't go to work. I think I have to put in like $2,000 in my car. And people are like, why don't you just trade it in? I'm like, I can't. I got to give this car to my daughter. My daughter has to have a car because where she's living at, there is no bus service to really get around. She needs to have a car. So with that being said, I hope you all are doing a lot better. And yeah, so far this is going in a future giveaway. So I will be putting that back there. See, I bought some for myself. These are for me. Or I might give these to my daughter because they said they're easy to apply. I just don't like the band. But anyways, those are it. Okay, so that's it, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. I'm going to finish up my pre-workout so I can go downstairs and work out. That's what I've been doing a lot as well, is every day working out as much as I don't want to. So thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. I really appreciate it. I love you all. I've missed you all. And with the weather, nicer weather coming, I don't know, do you want to see, I do belong to Fabletics. I do get, I do have some clothing that came because, long story short, I have Fabletics. So if you want to see some of those shirts or pants that I have, I think they're, I don't think I've tried them on yet. I can show you a haul of Fabletics. I am actually bought some stuff from back. So I'm going to share that with you. I'm waiting for a few more items to come in the mail so I can show you what I bought from there. I just had to buy it. I just had to buy it. So if you know me, may or may not know me too well, but I just had to have, what was that, Mac? I missed out on one, but we'll get to that when it comes. So anyways, I missed you all. I'm back and I will see you all in the next one. Hasta laters.